What's that right here?
Well, Grandma came to check on my kiddos. This is what they were up to. All coloring in the same coloring book. Okay, Isaac, I'm starting with you today, buddy.
Grandma, I'm writing these keels.
You're writing in the squares?
I had keels when I was at a restaurant and I had some shoes.
Oh, you had squares at a restaurant and you had some juice?
And they were little keels.
They were little there?
Yeah.
Did you go there with Daddy?
Yeah, I did.
For meeting?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Are you having fun now?
Yeah. Am I gonna wait. Is that what it is? Ruby broke it.
Ruby did? Oh dear. Oops.
So, but I have a bigger piece. Let me show you it. Oops. What's that from? Hi, Grandma. Here it is. It was this little one.
Yeah.
Right here was hooked up to this one.
They were hooked up together?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
But now it broke.
Okay. Anything else?
No. Really, no. Hey, watch it. Show Grandma your neck.
Oh, should we show Grandma your neck? Isaac's got this weird rash on his neck, so we put charcoal on it, and now his neck is black. How funny. Here you go, your turn.
Hi, Grandma. Look at all these crayons that I dumped out.
You dumped them out?
Yup.
Oh.
And when I finish all these cans up, I'll have to use those cans.
Oh. It'll take you a while though.
So, Grandma, here's all our crayons, and I think some dropped on our ground. At least the pencil baby.
Oh, yeah? You are crazy. Anything else, crazy girl?
Grandma, we have a nice house, and there's what my Isaac made today.
When did Isaac make this today? Are you looking for your pencil? I think Ruby said it dropped in the ground.
Well, the purple one.
Oh. Then you want to tell Grandma something?
Here's the pencil. Oh, it's for Ricky.
Oh, careful. Minnie, what do you want to tell Grandma?
Well, bye-bye. I'm going to show this how this works. See this? It turns it across.
Oh, is that moving?
See it moving?
Oh, yeah.
This thing comes off and sits on. You see this pump? It goes in this hole. See it's coming down?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
And then what will you do? I use this to take off. You take it off, and then you take it off, roll it back up like this. See? It's going up.
Yeah.
And what else you do? You can move them. You move the more. With no thing on it. I got the pencil.
That is neat.
You move some more, and then when you are done, you move it back.
Yeah. And Grandma, that is the party here today.
And see, see, you don't take it down and dig it, and it comes. You don't take right back up. See?
Yep. Okay, Grandma, we love you. We wish you were here partying with us, because it's a real party. What, do you have something else to tell Grandma?
Yes, my kid. Not because of fun. Sing bye-bye.
Okay.
And God, I like to like.
Oh boy, we love you, Grandma. Bye-bye.